Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for December 11th, 2016. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. Well, another record high finish for the equity markets here. The Dow finishing the week at 19,714. That's a gain of 142 points, and it just continues to roll higher. The S&P 500 up 13 points, also a fresh new high at 2255. The Nasdaq was up 27. Now this one has yet to hit record highs, but if you look at the weekly chart, we have another buy set up here. This one had a 1 week pullback and is now moving on here. It should easily trip these highs at 49.07 on the week, but this one poised to go higher or continue higher, and the Russell here a fresh new high at 1392. Now this did put in a doji up here, an indecision type candle, but what a run. Another 4 straight weeks. If you look at this, what a textbook perfect move here. We had many weeks of straight upside followed by a 5-week pullback, now 4-week continuation move here. It really doesn't get any better than this. Now, things will get interesting as we head towards the middle of the week, where we are expecting that FOMC meeting announcement. So we will finally hear if the Feds will raise rates or not this month. I think it's pretty much baked in that they will. Will they surprise with, raising a 0.5 point rather than a 1/4 point? Or will they surprise us completely by not raising? That could be a game changer if they do. But I think right now everyone's pretty much expecting a 1/4 point move. Bonds continued lower here, finishing the week at 117.28. Same with gold, continues to pull back, but it still has not dipped below that December 5th low, but it's certainly right there. And crude bounced once again, up 1.3% on Friday to end the week, and at the upper end of this range. If you look at crude, it's really been in a range here for a while, between say 43 and 51 area. It's really been bouncing, and we're there again. This time, the pullback very short-lived here, so expect this high here to be taken out this week. Again, a lot depends on the Fed. It's going to be an interesting week. But another interesting chart is Google. And Google, after this gap on earnings here had gone kind of silent, then they released earnings in October, and it just collapsed from there. But if you look at this is kind of an ugly double bottom here. But nonetheless, it came in lower here, tried to recover, failed, recovering again, and now has surpassed these highs here, which is significant. This could be the start of a run back to fresh new highs. And if we look at the weekly chart on Google, momentum is there. Really strong week this week. Very strong week. And the monthly, just a slow, steady climb there. So it looks like Google, is poised to head back towards 839 here. Going to be interesting. Again, biggest news upcoming this week will be Wednesday afternoon, 2 p.m. Eastern, the release of that FOMC meeting announcement and their decision on rate hikes. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you on our next update.